just broke down Amazon versus Walmart fees, and we're going to check out the winner in today's video. Now, the first thing that we're looking at is just seeing how much the product costs to sell on Amazon versus Walmart. So we actually did this test with this product right here. It's a biodegradable bag, right? A big count of 500. Just think about grocery bags. And we started to sell the product on Amazon and on Walmart to see the difference. And the commission cost is automatically higher compared on Amazon. So right now we're already saving money on the commission cost, if you see that, right? And now we're going to do the fulfillment fee. The fulfillment fee is also higher on Amazon. On Walmart, it is cheaper to fulfill it if Walmart does the fulfillment. And then the storage fee is also higher on Amazon. Now, these are the legit fees that we broke down after selling the product. This isn't using a calculator. This is legit, right? And the sell price was also the same. So now we're saving over $1 per sale, which is pretty solid, right? Showing that Walmart is definitely the winner when it comes to fees. And just looking at it, $1 might not sound like that much, but if you sell 1,000 units a month, that's $1,000 a month, right? So it does add up. There's also some other charges, right? There is no monthly subscription fee on Walmart, right? So Amazon does charge $39.99 just to be a professional seller each month on Amazon. There is no fee, a monthly fee on Walmart at all. Now we're going to go over the storage fees. That's what's going to be a killer. And then there's also, Amazon is known for extra hidden fees. So far, I haven't really found any hidden fees on Walmart, which is nice. So we're going to be going over those in this video as well. So the next thing I wanted to go over is the peak season storage fees. So as we know, Amazon has peak season storage fees. So for October, November, December, your fees for just having inventory at the warehouse sometimes triple. Now, right now, Walmart is having no peak storage fees. I don't know how long this is going to last, if it's just 2025 or they're doing it for 2026, but they are doing their absolute best to just beat out Amazon in every metric. That's what they're trying to do. So keep that in mind. There is no extra storage fees and for Walmart. For Amazon, if we go to Amazon, and we're going to check the storage fees in just a second, here's the actual breakdown of the storage fees. I'm on Amazon right now. You have to be logged in to see this. These are the storage fees. Okay, these are regular storage fees, right? For January through September. We can see right here, I'm just going to do a basic one. This is 78 cents. Total monthly storage fee, 78 cents, right? Let's see what it is for the holiday season. We scroll down. For the holiday season, it goes from 78 cents to $2.40. Again, that might not seem like a lot, but it's 3x. So if you're usually getting charged $1,000 a month by Amazon, now it's over $3,000 a month pretty much, right? So it's definitely a little bit extra. The storage fees are killer for the holiday season. Getting charged 3x is something that nobody wants to do, right? Next up is going to be referral fees. So I mentioned a second ago that Amazon's referral fees are usually 15%. Walmart, they were only charging us 13.5%. On some items for our clients, they're charging 0% on Walmart. Now, I've never heard Amazon ever say, hey, we're going to give you 0% referral fees. So Walmart, and this is on qualifying toys, on a lot of different items, like if you're selling any board games, if you're selling any type of kids game or adult game, they have been giving 0% referral fees. So if you're selling, oh wow, 50% on pet supplies. So up to 100% referral fee reduction on top selling items. So they've been giving out, and this has been happening randomly. You don't have to apply. It's just, if they just think it is, boom, you automatically get 0% referral. So instead of getting charged that 13.5% referral fee, right, it's automatically 0, right? Which would change the entire game. You would be making so much more profit on Walmart compared to Amazon. It wouldn't even been be funny. Now, the last thing is the pro seller program. If you're a really good seller on Amazon, you don't really get anything, right? You don't get like maybe you get a pat on the back, good job. On Walmart, you actually get something called the Pro Seller Badge. When you become a good seller, right? You've been selling good, you've been meeting metrics, the basics for 90 days, you do get all these benefits. You get a Pro Seller Badge, you get advertising credit, you get pro listings, you get referral discounts. Look, 5%, 10%. It's just insane. So all that commission that charges 13.5%, it's going to go down. You get extra credit, all these extra things that you get. So at the end of the day, if you sell on Walmart long term, yes, it's going to be a lot cheaper. Yes, there's tons of benefits. Yes, at some point, Amazon may get crushed by Walmart. It's not anytime soon, but I'm telling you right now, Walmart is trying. That's it for today's video. Want more Amazon or Walmart videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learn something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving out great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey, especially for you sellers that are on Amazon, want to expand to Walmart. We're here to help you take that jump. We've done it already for plenty of clients, and we can help you get to Walmart fast. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out. Bye. Mm.